Got to start making room for all of the other products. I think that's pretty good, because we are on day number 20 of the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar unboxing. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said in the beginning, we are on day number 20 of the Equestrian Advent Calendar opening, unboxing, unveiling. So we are going to open door number 20, which is down here in the corner. Let's see what's behind door number 20. Okay, so this is a product I have not used or even heard of. This is called Leather Cream Soap, and it says you can clean without water, cleansing and care in one single product. That's really interesting. And the package says cleans and cares quickly and simply without water, ensures a pleasant leather surface with a good grip without staining. It's ideal for in-between times and while traveling. And the directions are to apply it sparingly without water and then clean. It doesn't say if you wipe it away or what, but it does smell like the Effol products, not so much like the Effix. So it doesn't smell like the Leader Balsam or the Leader Combi, but that is pretty neat. And like it says, use it for in between when you do your real cleanings. All right, that's day number 20. We've got a lot of awesome different products to try out. And honestly, I am blown away by this advent calendar. This was the best $50 I have spent on horse-related things in a very long time. I'm so impressed with this. So be sure to come back tomorrow when we go to December 21st, which is window number 21. We'll open up number 21. I don't even know where it is. Oh, I see it. Right front and center. So come back tomorrow. We'll open window number 21 and see what's inside.